are relying on a single monthly paycheck to secure your future in today's economy. But when living costs double, inflation keeps climbing, and one unexpected company restructuring can wipe out 100% of your income overnight, single stream income isn't security anymore. I just talked to my nephew, and he was retrenched a couple of days ago at the age of 54. There was no upfront warning, it just happened. This is scary, but it is a reality we must face. A job is a single point of failure. But today I'm going to show you why relying on traditional jobs doesn't guarantee freedom anymore. And more importantly, the exact asset building model that does. Happy Freedom Friday, everybody! It is really so wonderful to have you here today. If you are joining me live, drop a quick hello in the comments and let me know where you are tuning in from. I'd love to see that. And if you're catching the replay, type replay below. I'll read every single comment and I'd love to give you a personal shout out. But for those who are new to my page, welcome too. I'm Lynette Badenhorst, broadcasting live from Vanderbijlpark, South Africa. Now, I help entrepreneurs, business owners, and professionals create recurring monthly income without selling a thing, so that they can live debt-free and stress-free and can focus on the things that really matters in their lives. Now, let me make something clear right from the beginning. Even though I work in the financial services ecosystem, I'm definitely not an insurance salesperson. I'm not here to recruit you, and I'm not selling you any products. My role here is very simple, to share information. That's my job. Excuse me. And your job today is just as simple, to verify this information for yourself and see if this is a fit for you or not. If it's not, it's no big deal. But if you truly want to change your financial future and build real stability, this is where you need to pay attention. For the past 10.5 years, I've been using a proven, fully compliant platform that allows everyday South Africans, working professionals, and corporate employees to build real recurring monthly income. And the best part? It's done without ever selling a single product. Yes, I'm definitely not selling insurance products, holding inventory, or chasing my friends and family. But the biggest value is how accessible and affordable it is. It's less than a meal for two at Spur. I think it's worth it. You don't need to risk your hard-earned savings or pay an arm and a leg just to start building a real asset. Every DuPont product owner gets the exceptional benefit of simply sharing information about the system and earning a recurring monthly lead fee for doing just that. To get to enjoy the product benefits, and then you receive 3 daily services added for free to any DuPont product, and you get access to all the business operational tools at no extra cost. For me, that's a bargain. But you also get full step-by-step training, completely free. Why are the company doing this? If they can help you make money, so do they. And that's why it's working. You are simply sharing information about the system that can build true intergenerational income. That's why this has worked for over a decade, and why thousands of South Africans everyday South Africans are benefiting from it today. Now, my passion is simply guiding professionals like you to leverage the system so you can lower your financial stress, pay off debt, and build true long-term security. Before we unpack today's main conversation, I've put together a brand new, completely free guide for you. It's called 3 Steps to Build an Asset-Based Wealth Strategy. I also called it 3 Steps to Build a Monthly Recurring Income, but there's a lot of things that you may not say, but actually it's absolutely this blueprint of how you do it. You can grab your free copy right now visiting LynetteBardner.com/3 steps, or if you're watching the live or the replay, simply type 3-steps in the comment sections right now. My team and I will make sure that the link lands directly in your inbox. And a special warm welcome to all my regular viewers and the guests tuning in today. A shout out to Peter and Gloria and Cheryl and all the others. I truly appreciate your support. Grab a cup of coffee, settle in, and let's dive into why the traditional 9-to-5 blueprint is changing. Our core topic today is why traditional jobs don't guarantee freedom anymore, and what does. Let's be honest with each other. Most of us in the workforce were handed this exact same script growing up. Go to school or university, get a solid qualification, secure a good job, and work hard for 40 years and enjoy your golden years in retirement. That formula worked remarkably well for previous generations. My father and my father-in-law did very well there, but things have changed. Let me ask you an honest question. Is that formula still giving you the total financial safety today that you want? For most working professionals, the reality looks very different. Inflation versus pay rises, living costs, petrol, electricity, groceries, and medical aid, etc., go up every single year. Yet, annual salary increases rarely keep pace with real inflation. Next, the linear income trap. In a standard corporate or formal job, you trade hours for rands. You work an hour, you get paid for an hour. If you stop working, whether due to burnout, illness, retrenchment, or family emergencies, the income stops immediately. Next, the illusion of job security. Recent economic shifts across the globe have shown us that no office, no title, and no company is 100% immune to restructuring or downsizing. Trading your time directly for money pays the immediate monthly bills, but trading time for money will rarely buy back your time freedom. Now, when professionals realize they need a secondary stream of income, what usually stops them from taking action? In my 10 years of guiding people, I can tell you it almost always comes down to one thing: the fear of failure. You might be sitting there thinking, Lynette, I already work 8 to 10 hours a day. I have a family to take care of. I don't have time. Or I'm not a salesperson. I hate convincing people or pushing things on friends. Or what if I invest my time and effort into something and it turns out to be a waste or worse, a scam? Let me assure you right now, those concerns are completely valid. In fact, Be cautious shows, or being cautious shows that you are smart and protective of your time and hard-earned income. But here's the good news. You don't need to become a high-pressure salesperson. You do not need to spend hours harassing people. And you do not need to quit your primary career to build security. Now let's address the massive elephant in the room that almost everyone thinks about when they hear about earning income online. Some inevitably asks, Lynette, is this one of those things, online scams or a pyramid scheme? And do you know what I tell people when they ask me that? I tell them that asking that question is the smartest thing that they could possibly do. Yes, we live in a world, and specifically in South Africa, where people are approached every single day with get-rich-quick promises, crypto traps, and unregulated schemes that disappear overnight with people's money. You should be skeptical. You should protect your hard-earned income. So let's talk about what a real financial scam actually looks like versus a legitimate corporate channel, so that you can test any opportunity yourself. First of all, a scam asks you to invest money into a black box and promises guaranteed returns without work. I've never seen that, but they still keep on doing it. If someone tells you to drop 5,000 Rand in a trading pool and promises you'll get 20% back every month doing nothing, run as fast as you can. Legitimate income is built on real enterprise value, real financial products, and real client connections. You can't make money out of the sky. You need a real product. Secondly, a scam hides its founders and operates outside the law. Legitimate platforms are fully transparent, registered, and operate within strict legislative and financial conduct standards, like the FSCA, Financial Sector Conduct Authority here in South Africa. Now, the FSCA is protecting you, the consumer's interest, and they try to remove all the scams as fast as they can. But they can't keep up because people keep on doing that. They don't check for all the licenses and things. Just check these things before you send your money to any place. Thirdly, a scam relies on constant direct product pushing or bulk buying stock. If you have to buy boxes of products to stack in your garage, we call it front loading, just to qualify for a payout. That is an outdated high-risk model. Can you imagine buying stuff that you don't need just to get paid? But that is a practice, and this is not what's happening here. The reason I stood comfortably in front of my community for over 10.5 years with DealPoint is because this system is the exact opposite of those red flags. It is an established institutional platform backed by licensed financial service providers. There is no money management by individuals, no direct selling of products, and no fake promises of overnight wealth. I personally can't stand hype-up presentations because I know that's often how people get lured into illegal scams and risky promises. There is no hype here. What we are talking about is simply a compliant reward system for connecting people to essential financial services they already need, delivered through major established South African service providers. You know them all. It's the big guys. That's why I don't ask anyone to trust me blindly. I ask you to verify the facts for yourself. When you take a look under the hood of a system that has paid out consistently month after month for over a decade, the word scam completely evaporates, and you are left with a clear, reliable blueprint for building an asset. Now, most people assume they can never own a real asset because they simply can't afford the massive upfront capital. And that is what makes DuPont so unique. This system allows everyday South Africans to build a legitimate income asset, one that belongs to them in perpetuity. That means forever, simply by being a product owner. And what's truly unique is that as your recurring income grows month after month, you never have to buy more products yourself. Your own monthly participation stays simple and fixed. This is where the real shift happens, when you move away from linear income, trading your precious time for money, and move towards asset-based recurring income. But let me make it clear, what is asset-based recurring income? An asset is a system that continues to generate returns for you after the foundational work is done. When you align yourself with an established platform, the effort you put in today builds a foundation that can pay you repeatedly, month after month, year after year. And that's exactly why I align with DuPont, a South African system that has been operating with total stability, compliance, and transparency for over a decade. Why is this system different from traditional business opportunities? First, there's zero selling. I do not sell any product. You never buy stock, store physical inventory in your home, or handle deliveries logistics. Secondly, there's no product pitching. You aren't forcing people to buy consumer items they don't need or want. And thirdly, a pure connect and share system. You simply introduce everyday people to an established, fully compliant financial platform that offers genuine financial protection and services. Fourthly, institutional compliance. It operates within strict regulatory frameworks, including the FSCA standards here in South Africa, giving you total peace of mind. You don't need a business degree, and you don't need prior marketing experience. The platform is already built. The infrastructure is already running. Your job is simply to learn how to connect people to the system. Take a second to imagine what your life would look like if you had an extra recurring income stream landing in your bank account every single month. What would a stable, growing monthly asset do for your household budget? How much relief would you feel if your debt was paid off years ahead of schedule? If you can pay off your bond before it is due? You save a lot of money that way. What would it feel like to know that your extra hours were going towards building an asset that belongs to you rather than building someone else's company? Now let me be clear, this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Real asset building requires consistency, learning, and a steady effort. But because this platform has over 10 years of proven history, you don't have to guess or reinvent the wheel. If you are working as a professional or a parent or anyone who is tired of the monthly financial hamster wheel and want to evaluate a legitimate, sustainable system for yourself, I want to give you all the facts. Right now, drop a comment below saying blueprint or send me a direct private message here on Facebook. I will personally send you the information overview so that you can review the platform, see how the reward structure works, and verify everything for yourself. No pressure, no obligation, just honest, transparent information so you can make an informed decision for your family. But before we wrap up today's broadcast, don't forget to grab your free copy of my guide, 3 Steps to Build an Asset-Based Wealth Strategy. Download it for free at any time at www.lynettebarnard.com/free-steps. I spell my name LINNETBADENHORST.com/free steps, or simply type 3 steps in the comments below. If you are enjoying these Freedom Friday sessions and you want even more tools to help you build financial independence, make sure to head over to my YouTube channel, Lynette's Wealth Mastery. Every week I share practical tips, insights, and simple step-by-step strategies that help you navigate recurring income and build long-term wealth on your own term. Go to YouTube, search for Lynette's Wealth Mastery, and hit the subscribe button. And tap the bell notification so that you never miss a new training session. You can also explore my latest articles and insights on my blog over at lynettebarnard.com/blogs. But if you want to see exactly how this works step by step, I host daily wealth mastery sessions on Zoom. In just 15 minutes, I walk you through the entire unique business concept, show you how the platform operates, and then open up the floor so you can ask your questions live in a relaxed, no-pressure environment. It's quick, clear, and designed to give you total transparency. If you like to jump on one of these daily 15-minute sessions with me, simply send me a direct message right now with the words Zoom link, and I'll send the link straight to your inbox. If this live session brought to you value today, please hit those like and love buttons. Leave a quick comment and share this broadcast with a colleague, friend, or family member who needs to hear this message today. Thank you so much for spending your precious time with me this Freedom Friday. I hope today you left with feeling encouraged, empowered, and ready to take confident, practical steps towards your financial future. Remember, recurring income is the gateway to real freedom, flexibility, and peace of mind. You don't have to figure it out overnight. Start where you are, stay consistent, and let your foundation grow, one step at a time. Your journey to financial independence starts with a single decision to look at what's possible. Make that decision today. Comment or send me a message, and know that I'm here to walk this journey right alongside you. Until next week, stay motivated, stay consistent, and remember, build once, earn forever. Bye for now.